Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am freelancer Madhvi, and today I am going to share a scenario based issue and with solution. Manufacturing type of discrete manufacturing, and they want to add multiple level of BOMs while producing and manufacturing FG using component and subcomponent, and they add more and more layers and labels on this process. So at the time of creation of production BOM, when they try to define subcomponent raw material list in main FG creation chart, or you can say in the list of in the card of card of production BOM, when they add material list, either material is raw material or component or others. So in the defining process of production BOM, when they try to add multiple kind of items in the as a list of bill of material to produce one FG. So in this process, in creating in defining this production BOM, when they try to add multiple items, and if in that list that item already a FG, and this FG is part of the main FG, then the problem will occur. And problem is, system give you a error message, and error message is maximum level in BOM structure on 50 is too high, current item number this and that, and BOM number with this label. So this kind of screen will appear, and you can see this screen at the time of creating a production BOM or at the time of running MRP. So now back to the system side. This is basically I'm recording this video for the Navision users. So you need to search, you need to use your search box and type manufacturing setup. Here you can check the option. What option? Dynamics low-level code. This is the option. If this is enabled, you will face this kind of error what I showed to you earlier. If this is enabled, this is showing asterisk here, this will show you the error message. So always try to disable this button from here. So this is the basic thing. This is the dynamics low-level code, and this is a very simplest and easiest way to resolve your issue. So if you want to search in Google, if you want to search Google, you can search. It has exceeded the BOM label error in Navision. I have already searched this kind of errors. System show you this kind of search engines show you this kind of help. The maximum BOM level 50 was exceeded in Navision 2000 version. This is a version, so ignore this time version reason. But in the Navision, this indicates that you either have too many sub BOMs or you have a BOM referencing loop. Sub BOMs is when component on your current BOM have BOMs of their own. And you can also search multiple references. So basically I have I have seen this error in the client company, and they have faced this error multiple times. So they try to ignore the increase. They even don't want to try to increase multi-layer BOM. They don't want to increase the level of the BOM. So this is the way, this is the technique to avoid the error. This is the solution developed by the client company by themselves, and by suggesting us also. Sometimes to avoid the situation, we took the decision that if you don't want to face this error, if if you if this is possible, reduce the BOM layer, BOM labels. And you can also find the search history in, by using the search engine. This kind of threads you can read, where most of the consultant also suggested this thing, that you can ignore the multiple layers of BOM, or this is the reason of cross reference. Sometimes this will happen with the reason of cross reference, but a end user if you can say, a end user is not a consultant, he is not a technical person. He just want to perform his work in an easy way, and in a with spending less time, and with a specific time limit, 9 to 5, that's it, or somewhere 9 to 6. But they don't want to increase, they extend their time bonding with the company. So then what we consultant can do, we can suggest simplest and easiest solution to them. And if someone take the help with this video, the purpose of creating this video will be done. So thank you for watching. And if you are facing this kind of error, max label in BOM structure on 50 is too high, please follow the steps, and to some extent you can resolve this issue, and you can increase your BOM label more than above 50, and this will work in Navision 2019 also, because I have worked in 2000 version, and this solution will work also there. Thank you for watching.